Hi there, it's Sam from Pootlers.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's card project is this one. This is the Everything Amazing stamp set. Now, this is part of a team swap. Every time we launch a new catalogue, we do a postal swap as a team, which means that basically everybody who wants to participate gets together. I get given a big long list of everybody who wants to take part, and I put everybody into groups of 6 so that you make 5 and post them out and you get 5 back. And we actually had a slightly odd number, so a big thank you to Corinne and to Leah who joined me, and we actually made 10 swaps. So we joined 2 groups so that there weren't any that were too small and too big. But this was my swap, which seemed to me absolutely perfect for my team. You will do amazing things because they already do. And I chose to use Merry Merlot. Merry Merlot and Cherry Cobbler, my favourite colours ever. Love it. And I made a 10 fold card because that's just very me. Now I've got my card base scored, cut a piece of cardstock in half and score it in half, and then cut a whisper white panel half a centimetre shorter and narrower, maybe 1/8 of an inch shorter and narrower, and then you're going to need your stamp apparatus. Actually you're not going to need it for the first bit, but you will need it for the second, or I did because I was making 10 of them and I now have 12, so I've got 2 more. I don't know what to do with them. Might give them away. I'm not sure yet. So, beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous stamp set. I love the sort of sketchy look of it and the fact that you can put your phrases into here to create your own bespoke phrase. So let me grab a big block first. And my Merry Merlot ink. Love this colour ink, it's just gorgeous. So, and I'm going to put that straight into the middle. So that's that bit done. And while I'm here with the ink out, I'm going to grab my little flower and a little block. And so that's that bit done. Now I've got my separators. So because it's a photopolymer stamp set, which is shallower obviously than red rubber, I'm going to use my spongy mat and then line that up and grab the words you want. So I want the "you will do" to sit across the middle, and I'm going to have to bring this, well, I'm going to line it up here and then I'm going to bring it where I can see it and put it back. You will do amazing, and then I want things down at the bottom. So that's what you do, you line it up, but I can't see that at all, so it's possibly right at the bottom of the screen right now for you. Okay, that's now lined up where I can see it. My plate is in. Push it down, and you know what, I did stamp apparatus all of those, so I got those in the same position as well. I forgot that bit. Oh well. It is what it is. So onto there, push it down. You will do amazing things. Easy. Yeah, like I say, I did put the amazing onto that so that I knew that, yeah, one of those days. And I'm moving that out of the way. Plenty of snail onto the front. And that is my swap good to go. And on Saturday and Sunday of this week, I will show you all of the swaps that came back to me from the amazing team. So I will, I'll have those for you to see, but I wanted you to see what I sent them. You will do amazing things. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye.